Good morning! Aalis na kami dito. Kasi it's show day.
Showtime.
Showtime.
Lang.
Tapos magstay kami kina Ken for a night. Tomorrow na yung ano namin. Gala trip. So, nag-aantay na lang kami ng sundo. Ang lamig! Ah! So cold! So cold! Oh my god! Let's stay here! Let's stay here! Here! Okay, there's no wind here. That's too chilly!
Yeah, that's my favorite!
That's your favorite? Yan, gusto niya yung lamig. Japanese legit takoyaki. Dito kami sa hindi ko alam anong pangalan nitong amusement park. Parang maliit na amusement park dito sa Asakusa. Magbe-vending machine kami for the first time. Susukli ba sila?
Parang yata.
Ay, masarap. I'll try this.
Init.
So you can eat it with a stick.
Malamig.
Oh. Okay, let's go! Are you excited? Ayun, no, look, oh. What's that? Can you guess? Can you guess? Guess what? Hotdog! Hotdog! Animal! I think it's an animal!
Then you know.
Oh, you guessed. Oh, let's see. Look, look. Oh, I think I have an idea. I have an idea. What? What's the character? You look.
Look.
Oh my gosh. Ang galing, ang bilis. Let's see. What do you know? Look!
That's it for you?
What did you say?
What did you say?
Wow, that's so cool! Ay, nag-request pa. Like that, like that.
Look. Go. Yeah.
Oh, cute! So cute! May request pa. Wow, parang nandun na kami sa Canton. Mga Pinoy food, oh. Ay, palabok! Palabok. What's this? Wow, bagnet. Lechon kawali. May sinigang. Oh my God. Oh, sino nagawa ito nito? Garlic rice. Okay. Let's eat. Oh, ito yung labas ng... Ito yung venue namin.
Sa loob ng Star City.
Sa loob ng ang cute na amusement park. Ayan, dito ako sa taas. 7 degrees. And yun yung sky tree. Ang ganda. Oh, ayun na may airplane pa. Oh, look. Wow. Ito yung sky tree. Ang ganda talaga. Ito yung outfit sa 7 degrees. Ang lamig sa loob. Sobrang cute dito sa Japan. Ayan, dito. Hindi mabibigyan ng hostation ng cellphone yung ganda ng lugar na to. Sobrang amazing. ginagawa?
Ayoko yan.
Nilahat.
Ayoko lahat.
Hello! The show is done! And tomorrow, it's Daddy's birthday.
And mine,
And it's the start of an official, official gala na. Tomorrow. Tapos na yung show. Ang makulit. Sobrang kulit na to. Ayaw na umuwi. Let's go to the Philippines.
Ayoko.
Why?
The Philippines is yucky there.
We don't say that. That's your country. Kaya kami. Again, house. 1 hour something. The kitty. It's cute. It's Daddy's birthday. Oh, sorry. It's Daddy's birthday. Oh, dito kami sa Senji. I'm gonna eat ramen tonight for Daddy's birthday. With Ken and June. Happy birthday! It's his birthday. Oh my god. It's your birthday. Oh, ramen for your birthday.
We say happy birthday.
Just don't mind me.
How is it?
Good. Grabe yung ano nila yung experiment para kuha nila sa little taste.
Yokosuka. Ooh. Yeah. Dami kung ano-ano. What? Diba? I told you that's why you put on your socks.
I really want to talk to him, but
Lamig. Kaya naka-heater yung carpet. Yan. Lamig kasi. We're here in Kenko's house. And Isel is playing with the toys. Uy, put on mo lang yan. Tinanggal na. Pulit talaga yun. Gusto talaga niya yung lamig dito eh. Oh. Yan. Hindi na nga malamig. Birthday boy, oh. Magpipik ng strawberry, oh. There. Show me. What are you gonna do today? Oh, can you show us your ticket? Yeah, we're we're here inside. I'm gonna pick some strawberries. Zale, are you ready? Yeah. It's not blood, it's the color of the strawberry. Oh, you follow?
Yeah, the blood looks like strawberry.
Yeah. Show me. Show me all the strawberries you picked. Might fall. Wow, good job. She knows how to pick strawberry properly, right?
Yeah.
The proper way. Okay, can you show us how to eat it? You dip it in the milk. Oh my. Yum. Okay, dip it, dip. It's good. Oh, good job. Bawa. Okay. There. Yeah. Oh, good job. Very good. Oh, bees, look. There are bees here. Listen. They are buzzing. You just be quiet. Yeah, I hear it. This is how you properly pick strawberry, like this. Dip it.
You go there, you go here. Then I will take the Coca-Cola.
Ganyan na yung bago ng dal.
Boom, 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 boom.
She made it!
My turn.
Well dancing! Well dancing! Oh. They can't hear you from there. Let's go na.
Yeah,
Okay.
It worked.
It worked.
I wanna try
Wheel.
natapos na ito na diretso na. After na ito.
All kinds of parts of tuna.
Tuna.
I want my
Copy Japan first. We're going to say
Itadakimasu.
yes.
Itadakimasu.
Itadaki.
Yeah. Itadakimasu. Jalan na kumain. Birthday na kasi. Lahat yan, no? Dami, no? Let's choose. Kaya lang, ano ba nakalagay dyan? Ito na yung nakuha natin. Wow!
Chicken.
Oh, chicken! Ken's gonna
We'll
cook.
try Ken go sa...
This one, Ken.
Oh.
We have a deep.
Oh, you put it there.
What's this?
Oh. Okay. Ito na Doraemon. Ah, let's try this. Subukan natin ang pagkain ni Doraemon. Oh, that's cute.
Okay. Right. 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Dear Jared.
Izel. Nana. Happy birthday to you.
Three of you.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Woo, 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 woo. Go, go, go.
Go, go, go.
Yay!
Let's eat.
Let's eat.
大丈夫？あ、そうか。それを前にしないと。
Ate and you and Daddy's birthday. Yeah, do it.
Feeding. Good. Yummy.
あら、左手なの？
Oh, good one.
この中で。
そんなことないよ。
This is your birthday.
少しでいいよ、ケン君。
You like it?
俺もこれ
What's the flavor?
ありがとう。
Tires.
Okay, try mine. Ito na nga, nandito na nga tayo. Ano oras ba?
I don't know.
Lalakbay kami, ganito kalamig. Ito na naman pala.
Negative 2.
Negative 2. Ito yung bata. From Ken's house. Magte-train naman kami. Kasama si June over there. It's gonna be a 1 hour and 20-minute train ride to our hotel. Or the station pala.
Parang hindi lumatabi yung heat text ng hita ko.
Talaga? Medyo tagos ngayon.
Ikaw.
And negative 2 isa yun.
Ha?
Feels like
Sa'yo.
medyo. Parang I need a heat tech socks. So yeah, adventure to. Let's go. Tingnan naman yung street dito. Walang katao-tao. Kami lang. So cool. And it's so cold. It's cold and it's cold.